Food is good for me. Learn more Hindi food words. You are brave. You can do this. Chalo, let's go learn Hindi.
नमस्कार, हरा धनिया बारीक कटा हुआ 1 टेबलस्पून और सबको बहुत
Hi everyone, welcome to day 8 of the 30-day Hindi challenge. Yesterday we went into a little bit of grammar and we're going to continue that today. But before we do that, we're going to be building on our vocabulary and learning some more food words that we can use in those sentences. Our first word of today is roti, roti, which means bread or the Indian flatbread. Our second word is chaval, chaval, which means rice. And our final word is sabzi, sabzi, which can mean any sort of vegetable or a vegetable dish. Our grammar key for today is मैं रोटी खाता हूँ if we're speaking as a man, and मैं चावल खाती हूँ if we're speaking as a female. Now remember from yesterday, we learned the verb khana, which means to eat. And remember, when working with verbs, normally we drop the na ending, which leaves us with the root of the verb, which in this case is ka. Then we have to add our ending to it. So if we're speaking in the present tense, speaking as a man, we would add ta. If we're speaking in the present tense, speaking as a female, we add t. So let's break it down. Main, I, roti, bread in this case. Of course, you can add any of these words that we just learned. Roti, chaval, or sabzi. Khata hoon, eat. Main roti khata hoon, I eat bread. Now, if I were a female, I would instead say, मैं चावल खाती हूँ. मैं चावल खाती हूँ. I'm using the T ending because I'm speaking as a female. Just remember that that's how the grammar works in Hindi. Sometimes we have to allow the ending of the verb to agree with the speaker and to agree with the gender of the speaker. That's something that's unique to Hindi. It's different in Hindi than it is in English. All right, let's spend a little bit of time drilling this. Okay, here are our drills for today. हाँ, मैं रोटी खाती हूँ. Yes, I eat roti. हाँ, मैं सब्जी खाता हूँ. Yes, I eat vegetables. Speaking as a man. नहीं, मैं चावल नहीं खाता हूँ. No, I don't eat rice. Speaking as a man. नहीं, मैं सब्जी नहीं खाती हूँ. No, I don't eat vegetables. Speaking as a woman. Now, you can combine these drills or make these drills in any way that you want. You can use all three of the vocabulary words from today. Go through and say, I eat roti. I eat chaval. And then you can say, yes, I eat. Yes, I eat. And then you can go and say, no, I do not eat. No, I do not eat. And again, if you're uncomfortable speaking as a female, and you're a man, you just want to practice that, you can do that. And if you want to, vice versa, practice only speaking as a female, you can do that. But again, just be aware that someone who is a man or is a woman would say that sentence in a way that is different to how you would say it. So you need to be aware of those differences. All right, thank you so much for joining us for the 30-day Hindi challenge. We'll see you back here tomorrow.